Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. Today in this class, we will solve this problem. So the problem statement is given a number n and print all integers in the range 1 to n. So import java.util.star. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have taken import java.util.package and we have used the scanner class. So we have to take n. So we have to take n. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. So in this video, I will explain what is for. So what is for? For is a loop. So for is a loop. So if you want to print a set of numbers from 1 to n, so in that case, we will use the for loop. In that case, we have to use for loop. So int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Don't worry, I will explain the each and every line. So system dot out dot println I. So what I have written. So for is a loop, I have told you. So I'm taking, for example, let us run this program. See, there is no error. So in the first 10 statement, what have to take n as a number. Let us take 5. So what should be the output? So output should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many numbers? 5 numbers. So output should be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you got it. So it is a loop. How when it is like here I'm taking int and int I. So just a variable. Int I is just a variable. It is also int n is a variable. I'm just taking I'm storing the 5 in the n variable. I'm just using the sc.nextInt. Sc.nextInt will help you to give the user input. So what I have given 5. So that 5 I'm storing into the n. So I'm looping the n. So where it has to start from 0. Where it has to start from 0. I'm also just taking int I, a variable which stores 0, and it should be ending with 5. So I've taken, see, I'm taking less than, which means I 0, and this condition is I less than n. So 0 less than n. Let us see this again. So I have given the int I is equal to 0, and I, so what is I? I is equal to 0. So here 0, 0 less than n, and I plus plus. So after 0, I'm taking I plus plus. I plus plus means increment. So after 0, it will be 1. I hope you got it. So after 0, I value should be 1 here. Here it will be 1. So I'm checking again. 1 is less than n? Yes. What is n? 5. So 1 is less than 5. Okay. Condition satisfied. So the statement will be executed. So 1 will be printed. And again I plus plus. What will be the I plus plus, what will be the I value? It's 2. So again I'm checking. 2 is less than n. So 2 is less than 5. Okay, it's satisfied. So it's printing 2. And I'm incrementing again 1 I plus plus. So what is I value? Now it's 3. So 3 is less than n. So it satisfies, it prints. And I'm incrementing I plus plus. So on, it has to increment it up to 5, up to the value 5. So I'm taking I less than n, which means I less than, what is n value? 5. So it should be less than 5 only, not equal to 5. For example, if I equal to n, it will print up to 5. I'll run this program again. See here, it will print up to 5. So I'm not giving the equal to 5. I'm giving less than 5. So that's why it's printing up to 4 only. See here, up to 4 only. I'm justing every time it increments and it will print. When it becomes 1, it will print. When it becomes 2, it will print. Step by step. Here I'm using println, right? So println means next line. For example, if I don't use println, so what will be the output? So 0, 1, 2, 3. See, each and every one come in the same line. So that's why we have to use println. Then it will print in the next line. I hope you got it. So in this video, we have learned what is for loop. So if you like this video, please like it and please share to your friends so they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe my channel and please share to your friends and please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post the videos in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.